Hey everybody, it's your boy Los Trades, and I have officially hit $1,000 in profit, and I have been able to finally hit my goal of bringing my account up to around $10,000. I will be providing the receipts towards the end of the video, but I want to start off by saying, first of all, thanks be to God, thanks to the Lord Jesus Christ. This journey has been such a roller coaster, and I feel like I am finally on the right side of the wave. I am focused on the process. I am focused on getting better. I am still learning. I believe this is going to be a journey of continual learning, but I feel very blessed to be in this position. So let's go ahead and start with the first trade of the day. This first trade is perhaps one of the most simple and yet I would say underrated setup. It's actually one of my favorite setups right now, and that is a simple break and retest. Obviously, we have to have confirmations with it, but as we can see, we broke on the 5 minute. We broke above a 4-hour zone, right? We retested on the 5 minute, or I should say, we retested off of the 1 minute, with the 1 minute candle having high volume, and we bought, stop loss below, and you gotta let probability work things out. This next setup was a quantum leap, and it had all the characteristics I was looking for. We can see that there was increased volume for bulls, decreased volumes for bears, and when I got my confirmation to enter, it just, probability came and it just didn't work in my favor. So what was originally supposed to be a quantum leap scalp became again a break and retest, and we ended up hitting the target for 2RR. This was an invalid intraphase scalp. This did not actually hit my rules. I'm supposed to wait for the candle that actually stopped me out to fully form and break and close above the previous high, which obviously this did not do. This was my attempt at another trade. At this point, it's a 5th trade, I believe. And it's a break and retest. I do notice that we have an increase volume where that bullish candle is at, forming what some people would call like tweezer bottoms, right? And the one thing though, as I'm looking at this footage, as I'm looking at this film, I'm starting to notice that the break and retest that work look slightly different than this setup. And perhaps this is me catching a higher high being formed and not a lower low being formed to continue to go higher. Just little things right now that I'm looking at and paying attention to, which I think this probably would mean that this trade is not a valid break and retest setup. My final and sixth trade was a intra-fade scalp. We had all the signs of this being a good potential setup: increased bullish volume, decreased bearish volume, I should say. As you guys will see, price spiked. I moved my stop loss to break even. I was really hoping we were going to continue to run up to VWAP. Obviously, that was not the case. And this is, again, I would say probability playing its card.